Hi all, welcome to the channel. What I've got here is an E39 BMW E39 530D. It's a 04 reg, but it could be late 03 or something model. I thought I'll just make a quick video to show you what I've got myself into. So it was just a local good deal, I thought, and I'll just give you a quick walkthrough of how the car is. I'm planning to fix a few bits and probably keep on to it, or if I get a good deal I'll flip it. And it has a good old M57 B30 engine. I'll quickly show you. It's definitely missing a few bits and pieces, but that's it right there. No fan shroud, and it was actually originally this color, which I am not sure is what it's called, but your man said, the previous owner said, it was not as good looking as this color, so he repainted it this way. I'll show you from inside as well. It's tinted and all. You can barely see outside when you're sitting in the car. So I'll quickly give you an overview of the interior. So here it is. It's called kind of cream or tan, or not tan but cream, I suppose, leather. I've cleaned one of the seats because I had to take it out for something, and I've tidied the car up as well overall lightly because it was not in great nick. Here it is. There's the steering. It's not great. Seats. It's normal radio. It's not too bad, but it's bad enough if I was to say. It's got the lovely Style 66 alloys, and it's rough around the edges, alright. So I'll show you from this side. It's kind of rough around the edges, alright. And as you can see, it's fairly low. It's on coilovers. I don't know which make, but it's on the low settings. That's why it has a few rubbing marks in the both front and rear. There's the interior. As you possibly can see, it's not in great condition, to say the least. I think it won't start, but the battery is low at the moment. And I'll try to see what lights and stuff is on. So as you can see, the mileage here, it's about 171,000 miles, but you can see the temper dot or mark as well, so we actually don't know exactly. I'm planning to reprogram it, alright, so we'll find out. There's the interior, and I'll take a few shots, and that's about it. I won't be able to start it at the moment because the battery is after dying. And here is the back side. It's not too bad overall, but it definitely needs a serious clean. Let me open up the boot as well. Yes, I got the old suspension, original one, back as well with it, and it needs an engine mount, so that's there as well, and a few other bits and pieces. And that was pretty much it. I would love to keep it, but we'll have to see and find out. If I make any more videos, I'll definitely share with you guys, and I'll wrap this one quickly here. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and like the video if you actually liked it, and subscribe to the channel for more updates.